Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you Varo bank review. So by the end of this video you will have a conclusion that whether you should go for Varo or not. So this is a website, this is an official website. If you just want to make an account, just click on get started here, and if you have already an account, then just click on login. So here under this section of get started, here you have to fill up your information. So here I have made each and everything on what basis I have categorized and what basis Varo Bank is good. So here the first one is digital first approach, right? So Varo Bank operates entirely online. It doesn't have any physical appearance, right? Providing customers with a convenient and accessible banking experience through its mobile application and website. The digital first approach appeals to customers who prefer managing their finances digitally. No fees. On the other side, traditional bank have fees. Varo Bank doesn't charge any fees. It is completely free banking model, meaning customer typically doesn't encounter monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or foreign transaction extra, etc. High yield saving account. Varo Bank offers a high yield, competitive, high interest over your saving account with competitive interest rates. This account allows customers to earn interest on the saving balance, helping them grow their money over time. Early direct deposit. Varo Bank provides early direct deposit to its customer, allowing them to receive their paycheck up to 2 days early compared to the traditional bank. So this is pretty fast as compared to the traditionals. Budgeting tool. Varo Bank also provide you built-in budgeting tools to help customer track the spending, set financial goals, manage their money and everything. This tool can assist customers in making informed financial decisions and achieve their financial objectives. FDIC insured. Varo Bank deposit are FDIC insured up to maximum allowance limit, providing customers with peace of mind knowing that the funds are protected against bank failure. And don't worry about the customer service. Varo Bank offer customer support through various channels, including in-app chat, email, and phone support. Review of Varo Bank customer service are generally positive, with many customers praising their responsiveness and helpfulness of the support team. I hope you found this review very helpful. If you did, subscribe.